Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget Trends. In this video we will talk about the MIUI 12 update for Poco F1 and Redmi Note 9s. MIUI 12 update is currently on the 10 because it has some similar features to the iOS devices. In this update, several features has been added and the UI is completely changed in the MIUI 12 update. Poco F1 and Redmi Note 9s will receive the MIUI 12 update by the end of the July. The update will be released in a beta version. You will not get the stable version because they have to test the firmware for any bugs and issues. After that, the global stable version will be released. This news came from the MIUI forums community. There is no official announcement about this update for these devices. They only mentioned the date of the phase of second rollout of MIUI 12 update, but they have not mentioned any particular date for these two devices about MIUI 12 update. This was all about the MIUI 12 update for Poco F1 and Redmi Note 9s in this video. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.